like, come on.
How do you like this weather, sir?
Get out of here.
What are you doing?
Come on, take a picture of that car over there. Beautiful.
What car?
The 280. That's the car.
So how's business going with the Galactic Sounds?
Oh, very good.
You busy every week? How about this Wednesday night? You playing on Wednesday? What are you playing?
Safari.
Safari? What is that?
College Point Boulevard. Get out of here.
No.
Come on. Take the weather here. I'll find you a pretty girl. Wait a second.
No, I don't want to find a pretty girl. Anyway. Πού είναι αυτό το σαφάρι, μωρέ?
College Point Boulevard.
Parsons Boulevard?
College Point. Watch yourself.
Alright. Is it busy there?
Not yet, but soon.
Well, I guess you have to go now, don't you?
I think so.
Okay, Richie, I'll be seeing you by the 26th of February. How's that?
Okay.
Bohemian Hall, right?
That's when you dance, right? I'll be there.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
Here's a pretty girl right here. Take a picture of her.
Where is she?
She's right behind you.
You know Richie?
I don't know. No, thank you. I'm eating pizza.
Do you know Richie?
Well,
Richie,
just met a couple of times, and you know.
This is Lori.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I'll take a bite of your
Okay, look, my girlfriend's here. I gotta get going now. Okay, take care.
Okay.
Evan's playing games now.
I'm not playing any games.
You'll get to see you and tell us later, but you won't get to see.
I won't get to see myself.
Oh, you will.
The 26th?
I played in the 26th, right?
Alright. You play it for me.
Definitely.
We don't see the date 10 years ago.
Oh.
10 years ago when we were looking at the video.
Who's that kid?
Get that man. He ducked under the camera. Now we gotta get him. How do you like this weather, sir?
Well, I don't know. He asked me the same question a little while ago.
Alright, we'll do something different.
Alright.
You interview me. Next week.
How's the weather? Time out. People want to pass.
So it's okay.
No, guys, don't worry about it.
So what's your major in high school? Law. In high school?
No, but I'm pretty good at NYC. I ran out of my way of editing. I gotta get out there.
You can go to law school?
Stay busy. Do you have a brown car? There it is. Gus. I don't know.
Is he coming?
Yeah, he's right there.
I'm serious, Nick. I'm not joking.
Where, Mori?
Don't you see him right there? Right there. Stop.
Nick, you didn't look at the
In front of the Grecian cave. You see him?
able to see him.
Grecian cave. You see him?
I know.
Stop the camera for a minute. You look over there.
Hi, Gus.
Hi, Gus.
You believed us, folks.
Hi, Gus.
You believed us.
All right.
You made him open his eye.
Boo.
Yeah.